peanut brittle, and this is going to be really simple. You need to take a heavy saucepan on medium heat, and you're going to add a cup of sugar, a half a cup of corn syrup, quarter cup of water, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to heat this up until the sugar is melted and stir it continuously. Here. Before you do all this, you want to make sure you have everything prepared and measured out, and have a cookie sheet like this one right here. And I sprayed it with some like cooking spray, and you just want to have everything ready and measured because it's candy cooking, so you want to move fast. And you really should have a candy thermometer.
Yeah.
Okay, now the sugar's melted and dissolved, so we're going to add the peanuts. So now we're going to put the candy thermometer in, and we're going to leave it like that. That's the best I can do, because it's not supposed to touch the bottom, so that's good like that. And then we just have to cook it until it's at 300 degrees. It's a little more than halfway there right now, so we'll be back. It's showing up, but
not really.
Okay, so on the thermometer, it's just over 250 degrees, which is the hard ball stage. But we want it to go up to the hard crack stage, which is 300 degrees. So we got to keep going. Oh.
Okay.
All right, that's where we need it to be. So we're going to remove it from the heat. Take my thermometer out and we'll put it right there. And we want to put our, ow. We want to put our softened butter, and this is 2 teaspoons of baking soda. That's gonna. Then we're gonna mix that up, and stir it together. Sorry. And that gives it its nice color, the butter and the baking soda. And then we can just pour it on our greased sheet. Just like that. And spread it out.
If you don't have a marble slab table.
I don't have a marble slab table, so. And then, if we were pros, we'd slap this on our marble slab table and then put gloves on and stretch it. But alas, we do not. So I'm just going to keep spreading it out over this. Probably put it on a more even surface. Yeah, that'll be better like that. Then just start spreading it out, and then we just let it sit until it's ready to crack. Okay, here it is. It's all finished. And I tasted a piece. It's really, really good. I made enough to bring a little bit to share at work and cover some in chocolate. And that's it. That is peanut brittle. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.